So welcome back, this is Muzaffar Ismail from TechNave.com, and we will be doing the unboxing for the Logitech Bluetooth Audio Adapter. Okay, so let's see what is there, huh? Okay, so there is the Bluetooth Audio Adapter. Okay, put it down in the middle, I think. Yeah. And there's the 2-pin power cable for charge, for power. There is the cable for the sound on the side. The usual quick start guide. Let's see what else is that. And Logitech important information. Okay. So that's about it for the unboxing. Stay tuned for the full review of the Logitech Bluetooth Audio Adapter at TechNave.com. Thank you very much for watching.